Hello again, it's Pancake Day and there has been a bit of a flip in our weather compared to yesterday. For many we're going from a bright sunny day to something a lot cloudier and wetter because we have a frontal system that's already pushed its way in from the southwest and already brought some heavy rain so far this morning to some areas. But as well as the wet weather, we do have milder air coming in behind this weather system. So as it pushes its way northeastwards, it is going to bring cloud and rain to many places through the next 24 hours or so, but also lift our temperatures. So temperatures are going to go above average for the time of year. As well as that then, some more heavy rain to arrive on Thursday. This could be impactful, so do stay tuned. We may need some warnings nearer the time. Back to the here and now though, and like I said, a wet start across southwestern parts of England so far this morning, and that rain and cloud spilling its way northeastwards across much of England and Wales. Some heavy bursts perhaps, particularly over the higher ground of Wales, but nonetheless it's going to be a soggy afternoon for most. However, across Northern Ireland, staying mostly dry and some sunshine, particularly towards the far north, and some decent sunny spells across much of Scotland too. Still a few showers to watch out for, mostly towards the far north, and here they will be quite blustery, some strong winds here. Further south, across more central parts of Scotland, the showers are going to ease a little bit as we go through the day, and whilst there may be some sleet or snow over the highest ground, we're not talking as much snow as we saw yesterday here. There is going to be a north-south split in our temperatures today. Across the north, we're holding on to that chilly air, so temperatures around or a little bit below average for the time of year. Much milder further south. We have that mild air I showed you coming in, and so we're likely to see highs of around 14 Celsius, which is above average for the time of year. Staying cloudy and wet for much of England and Wales as we go through the night. Still outbreaks of rain, which could be a little bit heavy at times. Across Northern Ireland, we will see the rain pushing its way in here as we go through the early hours of Wednesday. But for much of Scotland, staying dry and largely clear skies. Still that chilly air here, and so the combination of the clear skies and the chilly air does mean that temperatures are going to take quite a drop. Could fall several degrees below freezing, perhaps as low as -5, maybe -6. So a relatively harsh frost across some parts of Scotland. A different story elsewhere though, a much milder picture, particularly with the cloud and the rain. Some places staying in double figures, quite a few places in fact, and we may even start the day around 11 or 12 towards southwest England. Otherwise though, Wednesday, it's going to be a cloudy, gloomy day for many of us again. Further outbreaks of rain, these could turn a little heavy for some of us. Perhaps something a bit more persistent, pushing into southern areas as we go into the afternoon, and also a swathe of more persistent rain spilling in from Northern Ireland across northern England and then later into Scotland too. And as this rain hits that chillier air that I mentioned, we could see a bit of sleet or snow over the higher ground. Again, the greatest chance of any sunshine on Wednesday will be across far northern parts of Scotland, but still we have that chilly air here, and so temperatures will be a little bit below average for the time of year, but that milder air will have become a bit more widespread, so more places seeing highs of around 13 or 14 Celsius tomorrow, and in fact some places could reach 15 Celsius, so pretty mild indeed for the fact that it is the middle of February. Further rain to come as we go through into Thursday, like I said at the start, and this could cause some impacts, so we may need some warnings perhaps nearer the time. Otherwise though, we are going to stay mild. In fact, Thursday could be even milder than on Wednesday, highs around 15 or 16 Celsius, turning a little bit fresher again by Friday, but looks like it will be one of the driest days of the week with some decent fine sunny weather for most before a bit more rain arrives in time for the weekend. Now Annie will be around later this afternoon with our deep dive premiering on our YouTube channel at 4:30, so do try and watch it then because she will be in the live chat answering any questions you may have. But if you can't watch it then, you are able to watch it at any point you would like, as it will be available on our YouTube channel whenever you'd like. Bye-bye.